Were you denied a job after they realized you're a person of transgender identity? Harassed over which restroom you use? Repeatedly misgendered by management? Recent Supreme Court decisions have dramatically expanded transgender workplace protections nationwide, but your rights still vary significantly by state. The legal protections against gender identity discrimination have evolved significantly in recent years, creating a complex patchwork of federal, state, and local protections that vary dramatically depending on where you live and work. Here's what you need to know about the current gender identity protections in the workplace. First, there are federal protections under Title VII. The landmark 2020 Supreme Court decision in Bostock versus Clayton County established that discrimination based on gender identity is a form of sex discrimination prohibited by Title VII of the Civil Rights Act. This nationwide protection applies to all employers with 15 or more employees, regardless of state or local laws. Here's what this federal protection covers: hiring, firing, and promotion decisions, pay and benefits discrimination, harassment and hostile work environments, and retaliation for reporting discrimination. And third, there are some state-specific protections which vary dramatically. For example, California offers comprehensive protections against gender identity discrimination through the Fair Employment and Housing Act, which applies to employers with more than 5 employees. Virginia also added explicit gender identity protections in 2020 through the Virginia Values Act. But neither Alabama nor Georgia has state laws explicitly prohibiting gender identity discrimination in employment. But in some states, there may be laws concerning specific issues like restroom access, dress codes and appearance standards, and name and pronoun usage. Also, privacy regarding transition status. While the Bostock decision provided a federal baseline of protection, the practical enforcement and additional protections vary significantly based on where you are. Fifth, it's important to be aware that there may be religious exemptions, and they vary by jurisdiction. Some religious organizations may claim exemptions from certain anti-discrimination provisions, though those exemptions are generally narrow and specific. Have you experienced gender identity discrimination at work? What happened and how was it addressed? Share your experience in the comments to help others facing similar situations.